Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about, PC sales, and we talked about Windows, of course, Windows licenses sold have been down because of the PC market going down. A lot of people are speculating and you think that people are just moving on to Macs or to Linux, and it has nothing to do with that. And one of the cases that really clearly shows that is that everybody's down. Today, Apple actually released some of its numbers. It doesn't give unit sales. It doesn't say how many devices they sold in any kind, but they did give the amount of money that each division ranked in: iPhones, iPads, Mac computers, and smartwatch, and all of that. And what we see is that every single device category is down. So the revenue is down. And we can extrapolate that the revenue being down goes also with the fact that they sold less of these devices. iPhone sales are down, iPad sales are down, and but not a lot. What the number that has the biggest difference when we look at the items sold and the money racked in is really Mac computers. We talked about how PC and Mac, and we looked at numbers of the Apple computers kind of inching up to what seems to be close to 20% market share. But we did also, at the same time, I did mention that we know that the actual numbers of Mac computers sold in the PC world is only 8%. So it's kind of weird to see these differences in the numbers between the Mac market share that they show and the sales of Mac computers, which is in the bracket that it's always been around 8 or 9%. What we see now is that the numbers of the money coming in from Mac computers is down, and that just shows us that the PC market in general is down, and even Mac computers are selling less. So there is a readjustment of the PC market, that's for sure. I don't think PCs are going away. 5, 6, 7 years ago, everybody was predicting that PCs would, decline and just, vanish from the market. It never happened. Actually, we had a jump in the pandemic where PC sales were as good as at the highest numbers we had more than 10 years ago. So, PC is not dead, definitely. Still a lot of PCs sold. There is a readjustment. We don't need PCs after the pandemic. A lot of people had that new computer. They have it. They're going to keep it. We'll see. There will be a point probably where all of that will readjust and just be in a stable performance. So numbers are showing that every category of Apple devices is down year over year. Like everybody else, Samsung announced that their sales of smartphones declined terribly. I think we are in a readjustment, and I think everybody is suffering right now from weaker sales of hardware. But that's gonna, come back at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.